Hey, so today I'm drawing this handsome fellow. I've been working on my proportions, as you might be able to see. It's a lot better drawn, back to my sort of well-practiced state now, because I realised I've been getting a bit sloppy, so I bought a book by Andrew Loomis called Drawing the Head and the Hands, and that has helped me and inspired me to do some more drawing and actually spend some time measuring proportions and stuff like that. I haven't quite decided on the colours that I'm going to paint this yet, but I guess we should get started. Hey, so I just wanted to let you know before I got started that I'm going to be using this pen, Staedtler pigment liner in 0.2. I might use a bigger one as well, but I will be mixing it in with my dip pen so that I can get those unpredictable sort of rough lines. Hey, I just finished my painting. Here's what it looks like, fully retouched and everything. It's all done now, so you can see. I might show you guys how I actually retouch and like scanning it in and making it ready for the screen or ready for print if I get it printed. It's just something that I've learned over time, and how to fix little things, little blips that may come up on the scanner. Let me know if you want to see some tutorials and stuff on how I do inking and how I will paint, how I draw, where I get my reference images from, anything like that. If you want to see something like that, that would be quite interesting. I've never done anything like that before, so it could be good fun. But either way, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Oh, here's what it looks like in real life. All finished and done. Look, you can see I did some new techniques in this one that I've never done before, so let me know what you think of them. See if I can probably improve on them, because I definitely can. But another video coming on soon. I'm getting good at editing these whilst I'm doing them, so I should be pumping out videos real quick. So yeah, give me a little bit of feedback if you have any for me, and I'll see you next time.